has issued a special marine warning for Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, the Tapsco River including Baltimore Harbor, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, until 4:30 p.m. At 2:23 p.m., the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 34 knots 15 nautical miles southwest of Riviera Beach, moving east to 20 knots. This thunderstorm will be near Bodkin Point, Pinehurst, Chester Beach, Rock Hall, wind gusts of at least 34 knots. Locally high waves and dangerous lightning can be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service.